Hello guys, welcome back to Life with Pip'nTyne. We got us another little chore out here in Boomer the van. We're going to try to put these brackets up. We done got one up, but I got to try to get this other end over here to make a shelf. That's going to kind of go right in here a little bit. So anyhow, y'all come hang out with us and we'll see how far we can get on this today. 32 and 3/8. 32 and 3/8. Alright, so there we go.
Hey, looky there. Of course, it's at a really terrible angle at this point. Look at it.
Yeah.
It's like 45 degrees down towards the ground. Let me see if I can... Oh, you got it. Okay, sweet. No. Murphy. Here, use this.
Here, let's get us a van and work on it, guys. Come on, it'll be fun.
Here, let me pull back on it with this if I can. Oh, hold on. Did that get it? Yeah. Okay. Teamwork, guys. If you get a $500 van, make sure you get extra arms.
Yeah.
With it. It looks, guys, give us a thumbs up if it looks sturdy enough.
It's in there. It's in there.
Sort of. Actually, it's not, I don't think. Hold on. Let's see. Let's investigate. Nope.
Okie dokie. No, just because the manufacturer bracket put the hole in there, right there. Don't necessarily mean I have to use it.
Well, can you put a...
Let's go get a drill bit. I'll go get a drill bit. I'll put me a drill bit.
Can you put a second screw on this side?
Well, it ain't going to hold it. I'm trying to keep it from doing that.
Yeah, okay.
So, let me go get a drill bit.
Okay. Here we go. Drill bit. There.
Now.
Who's the winner now?
I don't know. It ain't in there.
Am I talking too soon?
Yeah. That should work right there. I can get... I don't want him home.
It's got a angle, so it has a angle. So we're angling way up. Wow.
It went in.
Take 73.
See there?
Boom. Who's boss now? That was easy. It's all about attitude, folks. All about attitude.
Now, I'd really like to have one in this side.
I'm going to go take a nap. Let me know how it goes. Okay, we're back on side one, folks.
What happens? Is it hard?
He won, guys.
Boom.
He won.
Okay. Okay.
There we go. I've never actually used one of these. I mean, I've used a drill and everything, but.
Go do it.
Okay, we'll see.
Put it in there, push in hard, and turn it. Gas on it. That's it.
Hey.
That's it. This is the sharp self-tappers.
Nice.
There. They don't like that corner post for some reason, but
they really don't like that. We got this wood thing going on over here. We'll see how that goes. Oh, it made up for that other side.
Alright guys, we are cutting this to the size of the board that we have that we're going to use to make the shelf out of. We're going to use this cardboard as a template. You know, we can take, and that's even, we can even take and come in across here and knock off that corner.
Yeah.
If we need to, you know.
Where's that Sharpie holder?
Right here.
Okay. Two, we got to get this bed ultimately in the place where it's going to be and centered. So
you can get your length first, and then we can go from there, maybe.
We know we don't want it any longer than that, so we're going to cut that across.
All right.
I'm just doing a rough cut for now. Because a lot of this will be cut down. And I actually think you folded it up a pretty good amount back here, so I'm going to go ahead and cut a little of that. And that. Now let's get this mattress in place. You want to?
Yeah, let's do that. We'll be right back,
see
guys.
where we roll. Okay. I went ahead and cut a little bit off of here. As you can see how it's curved to get it kind of contoured to the wall. And now we're gonna kind of go along the edge of the bed line with it. Now let me see from up here. Actually, I think that's gonna be pretty darn close. Okay, he's tracing out the template.
Let's see what we get here, guys.
Here we go. And there's our shelf. Hopefully. Let's go see.
Does it go like this?
See what we think. Yeah.
Like that?
Yep.
Okay.
It does. Okay, we flipped the shelf from the other side just to see how well it fits on this side. And as you can see, there's a pretty big gap back there. So I traced it out on this cardboard stuff and added a little bit of a bow to it, and we'll see if we can't fit it kind of tight. So we're going to get this cut out and test fit it again. Okay, we've got the board in place with that nice big gap in the back, the board from the other side. And here's our little template, and I think it's going to seal up that back side pretty decent. Let's see. I might take a little bit more off of this side back there. And I think we're going to be ready. So let's go cut a board.
What we're doing here?
Yeah, let's check and see. Look at
That'll
that,
work.
guys. You like it?
I like it. That's going to work just fine.
Okay. We are about to use this perfectly straight board.
On this perfectly straight
This perfectly straight board to put a trim around our little shelf so things won't fall off. So let's get to cutting.
Alright guys, we're just kind of winging it here a little bit. We don't have the proper saw. We don't have the proper box. We've got some marks, so we're going to try to rub it in too. Y'all ever been there? Just get her done.
Get her done. We'll see.
Just get her done.
Yeah. You hold that other end.
Okay.
A little bit. Is it cutting it at all?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Did you?
What you think?
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. You gotta turn that on its side, I think. Don't you? Like that? I don't know. Is that how you did it? This is hard math. Oh, that way.
No.
We don't know how to put this together.
No. It's after work, guys.
We're tired. Well, there's your pencil mark. So that side has to go to the side.
Like,
Or
how did I do this? Like that?
like that. I
That's how
think
it
that
was.
looks
Yeah,
pretty.
that's how it was.
That works. Is it lining up at the end? Okay. Is it lining up at the end? Okay.
Okay. All right.
Sandpaper. And we're good.
Right
Yeah,
there,
it
I
is.
think
It's
it
lining
is.
up.
I think that right
Yeah,
there is
look
it.
at
So,
it. You did good.
you know what let's do, guys? Let's make some mark right here.
There we go.
And right here.
And we know
And
it
right
goes.
here.
Okay.
And now all we gotta do is line up them marks and we got it.
Yay! We're getting there, people. Hey, no wonder we couldn't find it. It was in the tape and glue drawer.
Now, who would put it there?
I don't know.
Oh, come on.
It's not dead, though.
Oh, good.
It's squeezable.
It's good.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, here we are. Okay, here we are working on the other side. Let me get it done. Don't confuse us this time. That was all your fault.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's okay.
You'll take one for the team,
Uh-huh.
whether it's true or not.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we got our old man screw bucket.
Yeah.
And we're hoping to find enough to put in this. If not, we're just going to glue it. So, where you want to dump this out at?
Yeah.
Okay,
You
we
don't wanna
rated
go?
it. We don't want to sink these for sure.
Okay.
But hey, we're making do with what we have.
That's it, guys. We're just making do with what we have. Let's try that. I don't get too crazy with it.
We're good. Okay. She's a beaut. Ooh, ooh. Did it come out? That did.
Okay.
It's a wild man.
Look out, look out, look out.
Looky there, looky there. We got us a lip. Nice.
Yeah.
Now if we can figure out how to put that back on again.
I thought I marked it.
Hey, that'll work. We have decided to forego the glue.
That's gonna fold it just fine. I mean, we're not putting a car engine on there. We just want something to kind of hold some stuff.
Lay our glasses and phone on at night, pretty
that's
much.
all we need.
I like it. We'll get a stain, a makeshift stain on there. I'll show y'all how I'm gonna do that. And I might be able to stain these for 50 cents.
All right. Well, there is the last one. And
It looks good.
for just a mock installation, real quickly.
Man, that's gonna be so handy. I got these at Hobby Lobby, and I've done this before. I just take regular acrylic paint and thin it out. So it's a full, you can look here, a full bottle of that paint and a 1/4 cup of water. I haven't done this in years, so I'm hoping it turns out good enough, because we're going to make do. And so I just got it thinned out enough, and I just apply it with the, I haven't done this in so long, I hope it works. Okay, apply it with a paper towel. So, and you kind of thin it out so that you can still see the wood grain through, so it's not quite like painting it. You can, what's cool about this is you can literally make a stain out any color. So, but so as you can see, it's pretty darn easy. We're gonna finish staining both of these, and then we'll meet you out at the van and we'll get them installed today. So these will dry crazy fast. So there you go. Check it out, guys. A 49. Well, actually, this is probably about a 15-cent stain job. So can't beat it.
All right, we're back out here on the boomer again, and Shannon got these shelves painted up, looking good.
Hey.
Here's that one. I think it's probably all right.
Yeah, that feels pretty sturdy. We were talking, and we both had the same thought. If you have a little spray can of clear coat, you can spray these if you want it to be a little shinier finish. But
Yeah.
but we're happy with them as they are. Oh, and that paint, less than half a bottle covered both of these shelves, if that gives you any idea for any kind of craft project you want to do like that.
Okay.
We're good. Hey, look at that, guys. Man,
I mean,
that's going to be so nice.
yeah, I mean, you know, to lay your phone up there, and I'm gonna get some stuff rigged up to put chargers in, or we could even put a phone holder here. Those are going to go on. We got one for each side, and you could put a fan in here to, you know, run a fan, or whatever you can think of you need to plug in. There you go. We'll get them wired in. We got some solar coming. Supposed to be here Tuesday.
Woo!
We got it off Amazon. It's just a little small setup, a little 200 watt, 2-panel setup, just to run a few lights, maybe a couple fans, and radio, or just, you know, little minor things.
So, yep.
Yes. Well, guys, we appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for all the subscribers. And if you like our channel, you know, can put up with us, subscribe to us. And we just try to be real in what we do a little bit of everything. So the ones that have been watching, thank you. And subscribing and commenting, thank you so much. Very much. So thank you. Y'all have a good week. God bless. Stay safe. Love on the people you love. They'll appreciate it, and you will too.
We love you guys.
We'll see y'all.
Bye-bye.